Have you ever felt uncomfortable asking for a promotion or asking for a salary hike, or in general talking about your own career growth? If yes, then you are not alone. Even I have faced such issues. Asking something for myself has always been a problem, and the primary reason is because a lot of us are not comfortable with self advocacy. When I say self advocacy, it is as simple as going and talking to your boss about yourself, about your own growth, about certain things that you aspire and you want to achieve. Now, why does this happen? Why are people not comfortable asking something for themselves? There are few reasons behind this. One, of course, is the fear of rejection. What if I go and ask this to my boss, and what if he says no? That is the most common reason. Some other people think that if we are advocating for ourselves, then it is a sign that we are selfish, which is actually not true. Some other reasons include the fear of being judged. What will others think of me? So in most cases, what we do is we say yes to a lot of things, which means we overcommit a lot of times to work. But even if we achieve a overstretched target, we actually under communicate, which means we are bad at communicating what great work we have done. And I'm sure you have seen people around you who are very good at communicating but not as good as you at work. So these people get the advantage because they are very good at self advocacy. Now, what should you do in order to get ahead of this barrier? One thing which you need to understand is that if you are uncomfortable or if you feel discomfort asking for a certain personal thing, then there are high chances that you are on the right track. So remember that asking for yourself is not actually being selfish. And second is, even if you get any negative feedback, even if you get any critical feedback about your work, or if you go and ask your manager that why I did not get promoted this time, and he tells you a certain list of things or certain points which you need to improve, then that actually is a very positive step. So remember that getting through that discomfort is actually the first step in the right direction. And stop taking negative feedback personally. You should find out the reason for the negative or critical feedback, and then you should become comfortable with the actions that you need to take in order to turn the negative feedback into something positive. The next important thing is never forget your positive compliments. So if somebody has given you positive compliments, then you should definitely remember that, because there will be times when you will not feel a lot upbeat. There will be time when you will feel low, and that is the time when you need to remind yourself of the good work that you have done in the past. So you need something to pull yourself back. So all the appreciations and good compliments that you have received in the past are also extremely important. Last but not the least, remember that you are asking for a promotion or career growth or role change or salary hike because you think you deserve it. You are not just asking for the sake of asking, or it is not wishful thinking. So there is no need to worry, and there is no need for anybody to judge you. Slowly, with practice, when you open up and speak up, you will become a lot more comfortable. And when you do that, you will see tremendous results. Do let me know in comments what do you think about self-advocacy and whether you agree or disagree with the thoughts shared by me. I will look forward to reading your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. I will see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye for now.